5 years is a long time to be pooping in a bucket.
And showering with a hose.
Yes. So that means it is time for septic.
Yes.
What is this little pool we've got here?
This mud bath for the wealthy is actually where our septic line will start, where the garage and the house join, right there.
Okay.
And pointing this way.
All right. So that is ground zero.
Yes. This is the starting point.
And that means that that little flag over there is where we are estimating that we're going to put our septic tank. Code says we have to be at least 5 feet from the house. This is way more than that.
Oh yeah.
But this is where we've chosen.
Yep.
Look what we're getting today. Here's our septic tank. 1,000-gallon one. Actually, 1,060. Now he's unloading the chamber system that we're going to be using for the leach field. What do we get?
Our septic, which is made by Infiltrator. This is the quick 4 something
Standard.
standard chamber system.
Yes. What's behind you?
1,000-gallon tank by Roth.
Yeah. I'm glad it's not a big old concrete one, huh?
Yeah, if it was, I wouldn't be able to deal with it. It would have been more of a pain.
Yeah.
And honestly, I think these are probably more durable, and if they break, I can fix it.
Agreed. And we were able to get it locally, which is also nice.
Yep.
So now, we've got work to do.
Yes, we do. Or I do.
Bringing in the big guns to start breaking ground. First up, digging out the hole for the septic tank. You ready? Well, you've made a good start.
Yeah.
That's a really big pile of dirt.
Yeah, Jesus.
I know.
That has got to be deep enough.
It's not. I think you've got another couple of feet to go.
There's no way.
Let's measure. This is a deep hole, but it is not deep enough.
I don't think so. Not yet. We need to go 44 inches lower than that.
Then that pipe, which is 2.5 feet below ground.
Ish. So I have to add 44 inches to this.
That's deep.
Yes.
And deep.
And deep.
Based on this math, it looks like you need to dig down at least another 2 feet. Somewhere between 2 and 3 feet.
Somewhere around in there.
So yeah, all right, a whole nother dig session. A couple more feet and we'll reassess.
Okay.
Ah, hey, we're actually hearing beeping.
Yeah, I'm close.
How far? Wait, angle it a bit. So just a couple inches more.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How deep do you think that hole is now?
Oh.
Well, let's see. You're 6 feet tall, right? Almost?
About 6 foot.
Not
so,
quite.
Yeah.
It's a little, yeah, it's about a 6 foot deep hole.
Yep.
Looks really good. So now you're just going to level things off on the bottom?
Yep. And we'll we'll have to throw some rock in. Maybe, I don't know. Depends. We'll see how level I can get it just by hand and go from there.
All right, that's pretty good progress.
Yep.
You think we'll get the tank in today?
I do.
All right.
3 o'clock, so.
We can do it.
We can do it.
Okay, the hole is dug. Are we ready to give it a go? Drop it down and see what happens?
Let's see what happens.
Is it gonna fit?
It's gonna fit. Whether it's in the right spot or not is the question.
We'll find out. You're using your fun little attachment again, huh?
Boom arm.
Yeah, so we chained up the tank, and the goal is to raise it up and then lift it and place it into the hole to make sure it fits right. But then you're gonna pull it out again, and we're gonna put some stone in the bottom.
Yeah, because we gotta level, but we gotta make sure it fits before I go throwing stone in here.
Yeah, because it's gonna be pretty tight. So this is just a dry run, a test run.
Yep.
Hopefully it will come back out. What did our little test run show you?
Unacceptable. We have corners to dig out. It's just not enough.
Back to the backhoe.
Yep.
All right, hopefully we have 62 inches, right?
Yes. Definitely have 62.
Now go down to the ground though.
Not so much.
See?
Yeah, not so much.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
We're digging.
We're digging.
Well, you're getting your exercise for the day for sure, huh?
I don't like doing this either, so you want to switch? You're the one that likes to do all this manual labor.
I wouldn't mind, but I don't have the shoes for it.
I can clean those off. I'll take care of them.
Okay.
Come on down.
Okay. It's deep down here.
Yes, it is. Boy, I'm awfully thirsty. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay. The
Wow, yeah, that is up there pretty good.
rake's right there, and
You coming back?
we'll see.
No, really. You coming back?
We'll see.
Aw, he does love me. You came back. Ready to get to work?
Yep, I'll be right back.
Wait! What are you doing?
You have work to do.
Bring that back. Oh, I'm in a big hole.
Chop, chop.
The backhoe got us most of the way there, but
98%.
yeah, but doing the finishing touches, the corners and the edges required us to get in the hole and do it by hand.
Yep.
How'd we do?
Well, that was good. Low, which is good. Low.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's really good.
we're good with, we can throw some gravel in and
Right, I was gonna
level it
say,
out.
you're okay with us being low because we were gonna put a little bit of gravel
Yep.
on the bottom. So we want to be low in that
little bit.
instance, just a little bit.
Not a lot, but a little bit, and we're in good shape here.
Okay, so now let's just do a final measurement.
60, 62. Plus or minus
60,
1 to 3.
62.
Plus or minus 1 to 3.
I don't think that the plastic's gonna shrink.
Yeah.
Do you think we're okay on over here? Do we need to dig out a little bit more?
I don't know. I'd rather set it in and find out than have to dig more.
Okay.
unnecessarily.
Are you gonna put stone in next though?
No.
No?
No. Because if we have to dig more, then we're gonna ruin our stone.
Yeah. Good point. See,
Yeah.
it's after 3, so you have to be the one thinking.
I'm the thinker at the moment.
What is the verdict?
It's this way. Very level.
Really?
Like, very.
Oh gosh, I thought we were gonna have to dig that bottom corner out some more.
No. We did very, very, very well. That's level. This is level.
Wow.
Well, really good. I mean, there's an angle, which is exactly what you want. I mean, I almost wonder if we even put gravel in. I almost wonder if we just leave this.
Because we can't get any better than what it's in there right now.
We will screw this up.
Wow.
I mean, we're almost perfectly in line. We're within 1 to 3. So, I think we send it. Oh crap! Oh crap! It's backwards.
Oh no!
I knew it! I knew it was too good to be true. I knew it was too good to be true. We didn't spin it around. I thought I spun it around and I did not.
Oh my god, Alright, that's just hilarious.
And sad.
Well, yeah, mostly sad, but really funny. You gotta laugh.
We were so close. Why do you have to say outlet? Why do you have to say inlet?
Oh my gosh.
Just bury me.
No, veto.
Alright, but we're good. We're in good shape here.
Hey, we'll call that a win. So we'll pull it up. I say we put some stone down then and go from there.
Yeah, I agree. Work smart, not hard.
That's one way to do it. Well, it's the end of the day, and the tank is not in the ground just yet.
Almost.
We decided that since it was backwards and all, and we had to pull it out anyway, we are going to do a couple more minor things. We're going to trim off some of the dirt on the corners to make it fit just a little bit better, and we're going to add some gravel in the base. So that will be a tomorrow thing.
We'll be done tomorrow with this.
Yeah. We dug a big hole today, though.
Yeah, we did.
It's a start. More tomorrow.
At least now I know if we want to build the swimming pool, we could do it.
Yeah, we're not building a swimming pool.
Never say never.
Okay. We are back in the hole for day number 2 of septic tank work.
Yay! More manual labor.
It's your favorite thing in the world.
My favorite.
I have a new respect for the miners' days of old, huh?
Yeah.
Chipping away at stuff.
Yeah, this sucks.
I think we're pretty close, though.
Yeah.
A few more minutes and we should be good to go. I hear a lot of beeping. I think we look pretty good now.
All good beeping.
Next up, gravel. That should do it. Why are you sighing?
There's too much gravel.
It looks so nice.
Yeah, it does.
But now we're not beeping in a good way anymore.
Not anymore. Which is surprising because when you do this out there, the gravel just disappears in a heartbeat. So I figured, well, about here, this would be about a scoop. It'll disappear. I'll probably need 2. Let's scoop it to the sides because it's going to need it there anyway. And
Okay. I hear beeping.
This side is good. So I'm ready to push this tank in.
Me too. Let's do it.
Okay.
Time to lift it up and put it in.
What?
Haven't heard that in a while. The tank is in.
Yes.
And you've been looking at the level, trying to get it level sideways and upways and downways, and now you're just checking to make sure that the outlet pipe over here on the right side is a little higher than the inlet pipe for the tank, so that we make sure that gravity does its thing.
Yep.
You got a couple inches.
Up and down.
All right, that seems perfect.
I think we're in good shape here.
Okay, so this is where it's going to live for all eternity.
Yep.
Or at least the next, hopefully, 50 years.
Hopefully our lifetime.
Yes.
So I think we're in good shape.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Septic tanks are interesting and all, but they're not as fun and interesting as watching our friend abuse his equipment, taking down ginormous trees that I'm thinking he's not supposed to be taken down with that equipment. He's crazy. He's making the field next to us look really good though. So I'm glad he's doing it. There goes another one. You can check, but I think that ship has sailed at this point.
It did, but just for peace of mind, I was curious. For as big as this is, and we got it this level, I'm happy. I can't, honestly, that one's even perfect, so I'm good.
All right, cool. So we added one more scoop of stone around so that we could shove it underneath the curve to get it underneath the tank as best we can. We've done that, so next up will just be fill dirt. All right, let's fill this baby up.
Okay.
In case you're curious, this is actually not clay. Even though it's red, here in the South, we call this red dirt. And it's pretty solid, but it's not clay. Oh, we're missing the action over there. Slowly but surely, we're filling up the hole. We added a couple more loads of dirt. So now we are not quite done with the fill, but it's packed in there pretty good. It's definitely not moving anywhere. And you wanted to leave plenty of room for the in and the out pipes.
Yep. I need to be able to work in there in the space first.
So the next step will be to add those pipes in before we finish the rest of the fill.
Yes.
Yes. That will wrap up this step of the process. The tank is now in. We have to do some, I'm getting out because it's hot in there. You can come out. Whew. We have to do some more fill work around the edges, but the tank is in. So next up we'll do the fill and start digging the trenches and putting the pipes in and all that fun. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Maybe we should have read that before we installed the tank. It's a little late now.
We're good. Oh yeah, they do have instructions. Perfect.
We will go into the details of what kind of tank we're getting and the lines. That was a tiger swallowtail. Or
It was an oh look at the kitty moment.
yeah.
I don't see any work happening.
Not until you bring that ladder back. It's kind of fun watching you do manual labor.
It's not fun for me.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay then. was waiting for you to do it again. Bye-bye.